Hi guys, it's Iain Myles here from Kamalifestyles.com, and today we're going to be running through the experience of one of our clients who successfully completed a one-week residential program. Now let's welcome Rico and let's get an insight of his experience in the program. Guys, Rico's 32 years old and he's an IT specialist. So let's talk about his experiences.
Hi guys, thank you Iain for letting me share my experience with people. I had a great time during my one-week residential training, and I had a chance to learn a lot of things in regarding to approaching women, dating, keeping the flame burning, and conquering my fear. The residential training is comprehensive and covers from the start of meeting to end.
Thank you, Rico. Now, we are very passionate about making every man achieve their dating dreams and potential. Now, when did you realize that you needed dating coaching in the first place?
I was in a long-term relationship, and when we broke up, I didn't know how to get back in the dating world. I tried to approach a woman, but I wasn't successful. I thought my money, age were the problem. I almost gave up on the whole dating issues. Then I heard about residential training at Kama, and I thought it wouldn't be hurt to give it a try.
So Rico, do you still think that your age is a problem, or do you feel that the residential training gave you that mentality change?
There are no words that I can express how grateful I am for the program. My success with approaching women has greatly improved, and I have a confidence and self-esteem boost due to the program. I no longer feel anxiety or down about the approaching and attracting the girls. I use the techniques that I learned from the program, and once you know what to say or how to say your own theory, and everything gets easier. I felt like they started to chase me in the conversation. As you know, I already got instant dates with two beautiful girls and they are still texting me. I presume the confidence and having a clear strategy is key for the success. Certainly that was the game changer for me. I never got an instant date before, and it is amazing to see how easy to land the date whenever you see them.
Now it's very motivational for me when I hear that our clients are having the women that they want after the program. So how is the Karma residential training different from the others that you've seen?
One thing you will notice once you start the program is that the training and sessions are tailored according to needs of every client. I took the pre-consultation before the start to determine where my training will start, and the coaches focus on my weaknesses. Iain, you and the team all looked at my goals and expectations and customized program. That gave me awareness from the beginning, and I knew where I was going wrong. I had problem approaching women and keeping the conversation going once I approach a woman. The coaches exposed me more to the field and learning a lot of the approach theory and the body language. I had the chance to see coaches in action and how they smoothly approaching women, kept them engaged and interested in them, and closed the deal. I met a lot of beautiful women in different settings, and I had the coaches wings me, which was amazing. It's intimidating approaching a woman you think is out of our league, but the coaches makes it seem like a walk in the park. I believe that Kama residential training is different from others because you guys deliver what you promise, and you are there, always there. Session with your other instructor Ray was mind-blowing, as the guy literally brings the best in field, and the guide until you really understand help you deliver. The club session were really game changer for me, as you see how non-verbal communication works, and female instructor gave amazing insights and advice, especially when you approach. You guys are really passionate about helping people and supportive.
Thank you, Rico. Yes, my team and I are really passionate about helping the clients, and that's why I choose the best trainers. Now, you can meet women anytime and anywhere, and that is the reason your training sessions included these different places and these different settings. Now, we focused on the theory and the practice to boost your success. So as you mentioned before, that you had those problems in approaching women and keeping the conversation going. Now, how did the residential training help you in those specific areas?
After the pre-consultation, I discovered that I had confidence and self-esteem issues. That was something I had no idea of. The coaches then start working on building my confidence around women. I think that once you attain the ultimate confidence, there is nothing you can't do. The coaches assist me to tackle my fears around women and use everything around me to my advantage. Sometimes I wouldn't say the right things, but turn it around in a humorous way and make the girls laugh. Before that, I would completely shut down once I said something that I thought wasn't right. The approach and anxiety I had was actually killing me. You and I worked on the confidence exercise before we go out, and it was big help. As all these exercises reduced the anxiety levels, I could be able to control my anxiety very quickly and approach girls from the moment I see them. As you know, I didn't approach women before, and I was a long-term relationship. I didn't need to approach anyone nearly 10 years.
That's a truly amazing experience, Rico. You make the training sound so easy. Now, are there any challenges that you faced during the training, and how did you overcome them?
It wasn't a walk in the park, but the coaches were very helpful and assist me all the way. There are some things you believe about women and dating which are not always true. You have to overcome with your beliefs first and start afresh with the facts that will help you to get women you want. I used to believe that I'm not good enough. Beautiful girls are out of my league. She's going to be nasty. Women didn't want to be approached. You needed to be rich. You can ask them dates when you meet them first. It was a challenge to let all the thoughts go. You need to be open-minded and let go of the negative beliefs, otherwise you will not achieve. Your team were very supportive. Belief exercises were really helpful, and especially instant date strategy is amazing. Now I believe that every woman is approachable. You just have to read her and analyze which approach will work on her and take action. Now I can do it. Girls are there waiting to be asked for a quick instant date. I thought I had to bring them for these expensive dates and spend money to impress them.
Rico, that's so true. You see, women are not as scary as some guys think. And once you master the theory and the infield strategies, then you can land those instant dates every time you just go out. Now, nothing is impossible, and especially approaching a woman that you like, and it's not an impossible task. So what changes have you noticed about yourself since your completion of the program?
To be honest, I don't remember the last time I felt this good about myself. I kept holding to my last relationship because I thought if the girl I was dating left me, I wouldn't find another girl to love me. The residential training is the best thing that happened to me in my dating life and personality build up. The confidence that I built while I was in the program, I can clearly see that I can spread to all areas of my life. I have success with women, I have more respect. Landing the instant dates gives you amazing confidence, and that confidence gives you the tools for leading the dates and yourself. I was feeling down, but now feeling like a newly crowned king. The changes in my life are tremendous thanks to you and your residential training.
You said it well, Rico. Once you sign up for our program, then it becomes our duty to mold you into that alpha male. Now, what are some of the experiences that you had during the program?
Everything felt new to me because I was introduced to a world that I thought wasn't meant for me. I had a lot of fun meeting beautiful women in different settings and having a world-class coach as my wingman, Ray, and the girls are amazing personalities. Certainly, you pick the best people and they have good hearts and patience for this. Using nonverbal communication to get attention of a woman was one of my memorable moments. Today I can go to the bar and get the woman I want because I know what to do and stand out from the crowd of men. And I know how to get her and bring to next location for an instant date. I grow every single minute of this training and become a better version of myself in every level.
Rico, it's amazing to see that you've got here so quickly. Now, the success stories like Rico's give us the motivation to keep me doing what I do. So who would you recommend to the program and why?
In every part of our lives is interdependent, and having success on one side spread throughout your life. When I started having success with women during the program, it changed completely how I viewed things, and it changed girls' perception of me. I got more than I ever imagined. The passion, confidence, motivation and effort will spread to all other areas of my life. I clearly can visualize and I see myself getting better day by day. I would recommend this program to any man who feels like they need help in this area of their life or get the gorgeous woman they want. Don't just sit on the sidelines and any man can do what I can do. It's not a rocket science. Anyone who is struggling with relationships, getting a woman or confidence should try out this program. You will not believe it until you try it. Guys, believe me, as it is easy to land these instant dates. Ian and his team are really passionate people and They will help you until the end.
So Rico, thanks so much for sharing your experience with us. Now keep doing what you've learned from the program and you'll always lead and get these instant dates. So for those of you who want to have a turning point in your life and make their dating life better, we're here for you. Now sign up for the 1-week residential program and get trained by the best coaches on the team. And I'll also be there to help you achieve what you want to desire. Now find out more about the residential program by clicking at the residential training link at the description below. And you can also get an exclusive one-on-one chat with me via the email. So feel free to shoot me an email on Iain@Kamalifestyles.com. Now thank you guys so much for watching this video, and remember you can subscribe to our channel and view more success stories from our clients who have completed the program. So I'm Iain Myles and this is Rico, and I'll see you next time.